Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix your device has been banned message in the Litmatch app. If you're unable to access your account because of this error, here are a few things you can try to resolve the problem. First, restart your phone and open the Litmatch app again to see if the message disappears after connecting to the service. If the error still appears, make sure you're using the latest version of the app by checking for updates in your device's app store. Next, clear the app cache from your phone settings menu and then launch the app again. If you're using a VPN, proxy service, or modified version of the app, disable or remove it since this can sometimes trigger security restrictions. You should also make sure that you're following the platform's community guidelines and terms of service. If you believe the ban was applied by mistake, open the app's help or support section if available. Include details such as your account information, device model, and any error messages you receive to help the support team investigate the issue more quickly. In some cases, you'll need to wait for the review process to finish before access can be restored. Once your appeal is approved or the restriction expires, try signing in to your account again and check whether the issue has been resolved. And that's it. That's how you can fix the device you has been banned message in the Litmatch app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.